Right now, I am going to show you how to access your OneDrive account. You're going to open up any web browser. Right now, I am using Google Chrome. Up in the address bar, you're going to type in start.hcps.org, and this menu should appear. You should be familiar with this because this is how we get into It's Learning. This is one way that you can get into Pearson Realize, but go ahead and click Office 365. It's going to ask you to log in using an account. Right now I'm being asked to pick an account that I've already used to log in with. It might ask you to type in your account, and remember that is your lunch pin at student.hcps.org. And then it's going to ask you to type in your password and then go ahead and hit sign in. Now this screen should appear. You have options for all of the Microsoft applications that we have access to. You also have documents that you have recently been working on. Right now we're just going to open up OneDrive. So click OneDrive. And you should have a classwork folder. Remember, this is where I have access to all these files that are inside this folder. If you look over here under sharing, private, 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 these documents I cannot see. Everything in classwork is being shared with me. As you can see, I'm right here. So go under that folder. And these are all of the documents that you have already created. Yours is going to look different because you didn't create these files. Another student did. So, once you're in that folder, to create a Word document that you want to start, a writing project that you want to use, you're in the folder already. Go ahead and click New, and then Word document. And the online version of Word comes up. And you can just start typing. If you notice up here, it says document 2, it's already been saved. So as I type, the program, will save. And you can see it says saving, and now it says saved. So everything that I've typed has been saved. The only problem that I see here right now is the name, document 2. That doesn't really tell me what this is. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Save As. And I am going to go to Rename. So I am going to rename this file. This is just a test. It is only a test. Just name it something that you'll be able to tell what it is. So I'm going to hit OK. Whoops, I cannot have punctuation. Drats. So I'll try again. File, Save As, Rename. I'll just do test, test, test. And I'll hit OK. And if you notice, it does change up here at the top what the name of the file is. So everything that I type from now on will be saved. You can see it says saving, and when it's done saving, it'll just say saved. You don't have to wait for it. You can just continue to type. So that's one way that you can create a Word document that will be saved to your OneDrive account. I'm going to show you a different way. So I'm going to close this. I don't have to save it. It already saves. I'm going to close this. And we're back to our Microsoft Office screen. You can go ahead and click Word and start right away from Word. The only thing will be you will have to save it in that classwork folder so I can see it. If you don't save it in that classwork folder, it will be saved just straight to your OneDrive. So this is my second test. I go to File, I go to Save As. So I'm not going to rename this because I want to put this file where it belongs. So I'm going to save a copy online, Save As. Notice it's going under the folder Documents. I don't want it in that folder. I want to click Save to another folder, and I want to click Classwork. Now I can click Save. So right now it is being saved in the Classwork folder. But if you notice, it's still a weird title. So I'm just going to go File, Save As, rename this file Second Test. And I'll hit OK. And you can see up here it says Second Test. So those are two ways that you can get into Microsoft Word to type your writing and save it to the Classwork folder. And that's it. Thank you much.